Hello everyone, it's just Ed. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two gloves. So on the right, this is the Schneider. These are the vinyl synthetic. And on the left, these are the ForPro Nitrile. Both of them are powder free. Now the ForPro is a little bit stronger, but first let's try the vinyl. They feel a little bit different. They're not quite as stretchy. I mean, they do have some stretch, but they kind of stay in that stretch. Let's test how durable they are. So yeah, it does tear, but they're pretty durable. And again, on this inside, let's go over here to the 4mm ForPro. Again, let's turn them, let's put them on. Now again, these have a little bit more stretch. They tend to go back to the where they were previously, but these are really, really strong. Wow. So they eventually do tear, but with a lot more strength. Now, I normally wear a 2X glove, and I had no problem fitting either one of these on. Now, if we look at size-wise, the Nitrile is a little bit smaller, but it's going to, has more flexibility. The vinyl, they flex, but it kind of stays in that, but it's more of a rigid. But again, they both go on really easy, but it is a little bit bigger. But again, I had no problem putting this one on. So it tends to be more closely to your fingers. We're over here. Yeah, you do get kind of some bunching up a little bit. So I hope this comparison video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.